Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm cooking in the Ooni Koda 16. I'm going to be showing the difference between a buffalo mozzarella cooked pizza and a grated mozzarella cooked pizza. I'll split it down the middle, one on either side, so you can see how they cook in the gas. Let's do it. It's not looking good. But I've made my pizza. So hopefully the weather will hold out until I get it cooked. Do not rain on me, please. Don't rain on me. I want to show you the difference between mozzarella cheese cook and the grated cheese, which has got starch in and like potato starch in. Right, so I haven't even really started with my cook. That's on full flame, and as you can see, the cheese has really cooked. The grated cheese and the mozzarella's got a nice little topping to it. So I'm going to turn it down now so I can cook the crusts as fast as the top is cooking, but this is on full flame gas. If I'd carried on full flame like that, it would have been a bit of a disaster. Right, that's done. So I just wanted to show you from this pizza, I'll cut it down the middle where the actual join is. Why I hardly ever use grated cheese on my pizzas now, because that's the grated mozzarella that you buy in a plastic packet. I'll show you the packet. It's like it's this the packet mozzarella. They normally come in these zippable like packets. And then this is the buffalo mozzarella, which comes in these like little bags full of liquid, which keeps them soft. There is a huge difference, and even the cheapest ones you can find will even give you a good pizza cook. So I just wanted to show you the difference between the two. I mean, this one, putting them together, there's a huge difference. For me, that's too cooked, and I wouldn't have had a chance. Like, I had to turn it on low because I knew that was going to overcook. That one I knew wasn't going to. It doesn't cook more than that because it's so moist. But that I knew would have turned black if I'd carried on cooking. So I just wanted to show you, if you are a fan of grated mozzarella, then that's fine for your normal electric cooker pizza. But if you're getting an outdoor pizza oven, I would avoid using it if possible. If you can't get hold of the Buffalo mozzarella, in the UK they're right next to each other in the supermarkets, so you should be able to get hold of them, and I think they're reasonably priced in the UK. If you're new to pizza making especially and you're not sure, because this is something I learned early on, and I do have family members who do like or do prefer the grated cheese, I have to cook on really, really low, and it is harder to stop it from burning, to be honest, but that's what I do. I just cook it on really, really low and hope that it doesn't overcook faster than the crust, which was what was happening here. The toppings cooked too fast for the crust. But you should be good on low. But I just wanted to show you the difference. And I think the smell of this, I don't know if it's just me, but there's a smell that comes off this grated cheese. It's got potato starch in it, but I just don't like it. Whereas this smells like cheese, and it's got a nice smell coming off it. And that was one of the reasons why, I think I said it in a video about 2 years ago, there's a reason why I stopped. It was mostly the smell and the fact that it cooked really fast. With Buffalo, I've not looked back, I love it. And these are 250 gram dough balls. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gotoeatpizza.com. Link is below.